Hey besties! Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting. 10 of the best hairstyles for school that are cute, quick, and totally beginner friendly. So let's get started. 1. Divide your hair into two sections. On one side, create the bubble effect with small rubber bands until the hair ends, and on the other side, do the same bubble effect as well. 2. Twin braids are the ultimate school classic. They're cute, neat, and keep your hair in place all day. Plus, they give those effortless, girl next door vibes that never go out of style. Perfect for both sporty days and casual classroom looks. 3. Take a small section of hair from the top and tie it into a mini ponytail. Right behind it, gather a little more hair, but not all, and make a second ponytail. Now, flip the first ponytail inward, and do the same with the second one. Finally, pass the second ponytail through the first, leaving the rest of your hair open for a super cute and stylish look. 4. Part your hair to one side and start a braid from the top of your head all the way down. Secure it with a rubber band. From the remaining hair, create a small braid and combine it with the first one. Then, keep adding rubber bands down the length to form that trendy bubble effect. Repeat the same steps on the other side, and you've got the cutest school-ready hairstyle. 5. Part your hair into sections and, starting from the top on one side, make a braid from the side part. Loosen the braid slightly for a softer look, then gather the rest of your hair into a low ponytail. Take the end of the braid, cross it over into the pony, secure it with a rubber band, and tie a cute ribbon on top for that extra schoolgirl vibe. 6. Dutch braided pigtails are the cutest way to rock short hair at school. Start from the top, braid tightly down each side, and secure with elastics. It keeps your hair neat, out of the way, and gives that playful, sporty vibe that's perfect for busy school days. 7. For medium hair, leave some front layers, make mini braids on both sides, and secure them together at the back with a rubber band. Use a claw clip for hold, then remove it for a neat, pretty look. 8. Part your hair down the back. Starting from the top on one side, make a braid all the way down to the end of your head and secure it into a low ponytail with a rubber band. Add a cute ribbon for that schoolgirl touch, then repeat the same on the other side for perfect look. 9. A high ponytail is the ultimate school classic, sleek, stylish, and full of energy. It gives that confident, sporty vibe while still looking super cute all day long. 10. Part your hair into two sections. On one side, keep tying small rubber bands with little spaces in between until you reach the end. This creates that trendy bubble effect. Do the same on the other side for matching bubble braid pigtails. It's fun, neat, and super pretty for school. And that's it besties, 10 easy hairstyles for school that will make your mornings so much easier. Comment below which one you'll try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Bye.